Okay, welcome. Okay, so we're here to talk about the New York Jets. It is now July 2014, so we're going to talk about the upcoming season here. So as you know, Jets have Geno Smith coming back as quarterback, and also they got Michael Vick from the Eagles, so that should provide some good backup. As many of you know, Mark Sanchez was traded to the Eagles. Good to get rid of Sanchez. Okay, now as far as the receivers, they got this guy Eric Decker from the Denver Broncos, as well as Jace Amaro and Jacoby Ford, and also Jeremy Curley as well. So some good depth at the receiver position. Now the Jets' first-round draft pick at the safety, Calvin Pryor, he already has suffered a concussion, and they don't know when he's going to be back. So that's not good. Right now, DeJuan Landry and Antonio Allen are filling in at safety. Okay, as far as running back, they have Chris Johnson and Chris Ivory and Bilal Powell, so some pretty good running backs there. And also this guy Jason Babin at defensive end, so that should help the defense. Now, one area of concern for me is that Antonio Cromartie is no longer a Jet. He was sent to the Cardinals, and as you know, last year, Jets lost Darrelle Revis to the Tampa Bay Bucks, so now Jets are missing two of their best players. But overall, we're hoping for a good season. Jets were 8-8 last year, and now we're hoping for like maybe 10-6. Okay, thanks for watching.